Hi, hello, welcome to King Mobiles, Velu's #1 multi-brand mobile showroom. In this video, we are going to unbox the recently launched mid-segment smartphone Vivo V21. Let's get into the video. So Vivo V21, they've given in an attractive blue shade, just like other versions of Vivo. So let's unbox Vivo V21 5G. So once you open the box, they've given the phone in full black finish. Let us reserve the phone for last and let us peep into the box and see what are the contents. So they've given a complimentary case which is flexible, and usually complimentary cases will be filled with foggy or misty finish, but this is a clear finish. So you can show the phone's display and the phone's body whenever you wear this complimentary case. This is much flexible and much more attractive. And then if you see into the box is so filled. It's filled with a charger, data cable and earphones. So starting with the charger. So charger is Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. This is a 33 watts fast charger and the charger is really steady and good in quality. And the data cable. So despite of your fast charges, the quality of the data cable is also much important if you consider the charging capability of a phone. So data cable, if you see, one end they have given the C-type and other end they have given the USB pin. So this is much more comfortable because you can connect this to the systems and laptops. So moving on, next we have something a little and surprising, which is a converter. So apart from the charger, data cable and your earphones, they've also given a converter which is a 3.5 mm to C-type converter. So this one helps you to connect to your phone. So in your Vivo V21, you will not be having any 3.5 mm jack. Okay, last but not the least, let's take the Vivo V21. Here we are with the Vivo V21, starting with its appearance. Appearance is really off-striking, I would say. So this is a mixture of 5 colors, a gradient color. You can see yellow, blue, violet, pink, orange and whatnot. So this is really an attractive color. So this goes well with a complimentary case so that the attractiveness of the phone will be visible. And coming on to the cameras. So Vivo V21 has a triple camera setup, and that camera setup is really pretty decent. And coming on to the right hand side of the phone, you have a power button and you have a volume key. On the top of the phone, you have a noise cancellation mic, and left hand side of the phone, you have nothing. So coming to the bottom of the phone, you have a speaker provision and you have a C-type port, and then you have a SIM ejector. So appearance wise, the phone is so light and it is steady. And if you see the earpiece, they have given in a invisible style, and the camera has been given into a water droplet style. So let's switch on Vivo V21. So now we have switched on the phone. The phone's display is flawless. So display is AMOLED LED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and we all know that the maximum refresh rate which are available in higher-end flagship mobiles are just 120. So here we have 90. Vivo V21 comes with Dimensity 800U exclusive 5G processor, which is powered by 8GB RAM and 128GB memory. And we have a unique feature in Vivo V21. So we have 8 plus 3GBs of RAM. Yeah, so your memory can be converted into RAM whenever necessary. So it makes 8 plus 3, 11GBs of RAM, which makes this phone a higher end flagship mobile. And the processor which supports 5G and exclusive 5G processor Dimensity U. So all these makes a good successful combination. Let's move on to the camera capabilities of Vivo V21. So when we take Vivo phones are much more equipped when it comes to camera. So the primary camera is 64 megapixel OIS night camera. So the camera gives you an uncomparable image stabilization, and the quality of the output is very good when compared to night photos. And if you see other cameras apart from the primary camera, you have 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So this triple camera is really a decent combination where you can shoot up to 4K videos, and the images and the videos you're taking will be definitely satisfying your need. So next is the selfie camera of Vivo V21. So I would say this is a star feature in Vivo V21 because we have 44 megapixel selfie camera. So most of the flagship mobiles which even cost up to 60,000, 70,000 will have just 20 megapixel of selfie camera. In that aspect, if you see, they've given 44 megapixel selfie camera with OIS and night selfies. So this will definitely make your selfies much more better. Coming on to the battery and charging capabilities of Vivo V21. Vivo V21 comes with 4500 mAh battery capacity and 33 watts flash charging capability. So 33 watts fast charging capability is really a good combination, so it can give you 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. That is what is being advertised by Vivo. And other than that, if you see in Vivo V21, we have all other features like in-display fingerprint sensor, and you have a optional expandable memory slot, so you can use your SIM2 as your memory card slot, which is expandable up to 512 GB. And Vivo V21 comes with 3 attractive colors: Sunset Dazzle, Arctic White and Dusk Black. Talking about the price of Vivo V21. So Vivo V21 starts from 29,990 onwards, and all of these variants are available in all the branches in King Mobiles. You can walk in directly and make your purchase. If you like the video, like, comment and share. Meet you in the next video. Until then, it's DK signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.